to show you how to clean your car's headlights or headlamps. Obviously, I'm talking about the cover part that gets all hazy, and I'll show you that later on in this video. All right, so what are we going to use? I did not want to go about, that I'm going to sand it, I'm going to wet sand it like with 3 different grits, super high grits, like 1,000, 1,500, 2,000 grit sandpaper, and then wax it after. Although I might try waxing a small area after this method, but I'm going to use toothpaste and baking soda. So let's get the ingredients. Ingredient number 1, obviously, is bam. You don't have to use Colgate or Total. It just has to be toothpaste. And there's barely any left in here. So it's like that much, okay? Bang. Is it still? Yeah, it's still in focus. All right, and then my handy dandy. I have a lot of baking soda, but it's not the Costco stuff. What is that? That's all we need, right? Well, and let's see, did I bring it back inside? I just have a sprayer. Got a random sprayer. I have, warm water works, but I just put hot because by the time I get out there, it's going to be warm. So, boom. A sprayer. That's all this: water, toothpaste, baking soda. And so I'm going to make the mix in here. I already did one, and then I realized, I was like, you know what? I should record this and leave it on this channel for someone to find and do the same thing with. So, you know how it goes. We got bam. All right, I put a lot of bits, so and I'm probably gonna take the top off because how much I used, I had to. Oh yeah, and something to scrub it with. So you could use a toothbrush, but I used like the green. What is that stuff called? It's like the Barilla pad on those sponges that have a scrub side. I think this probably works better. And so, take this junk off. This is just for efficient squeezing. I want everything up out of this. So, I'm not going to cut it open. But I think that's all right. And I'm going to push that with my thumb, get a little more. Fold the little corners in, get even a little more. Okay, now I could just keep folding this up or rolling it up to get every little bit out. I think, we'll make it work. Does that give anything? Yeah, like a little, that might, you never know, that little bit might help. You might just get on my finger, all right? What else? Okay, let's put some. I put a lot of baking soda in because we're trying to get it gritty. Alright, so here we go. I'm gonna put, this is like a teaspoon kind of thing. I'm gonna just put this whole, right? I'm gonna put this whole thing in here. Let me make sure y'all can see that. Of course, somebody's calling me right now. So, is it? Yeah, still recording. I'm gonna put this, right? Just boom, boom. It's not gonna go into the toothpaste too easy. So if I just go like this, should have a. Can I turn my light on? All right. So if I just go like this, it's not really gonna go in. It's kind of like, I'm not gonna say I don't bake stuff every once in a while. It's kind of like pizza dough. Not like cookie dough. It's like breads, right? It's like all this dry stuff needs to get into this semi-moist thing. So I'm just like kind of keep passing it through there. Let's get my hand out of the way. Passing it through there. It's gonna get kind of thick and solid. And actually, I'm gonna get some more toothpaste because I know that's not gonna spread in the whole thing. So let me go grab a little more. Now, I wish I had some like cheap toothpaste right now, but there goes a whole new tube. I'm gonna maybe like that much. Yeah, that's gonna easily cover it. And yeah, I think that's enough baking soda. I might just put a little more. I'm gonna hit it a little more because it's very, what's the word? I mean, well, viscous means more thick, right? So it's still pretty viscous for what we want to use it for. So I'm gonna add a little and hit it with a little, wait, where is it? Bit, bap. Right? Because the toothpaste can't take more baking soda than it can handle, right? You can't force it past what would that be? Just how it combines. You cannot force baking soda into toothpaste that has no more space. And I would think on like a micro scale level, it would be, how would this be? I think it's separate. It's just you can't see it, right? Like with the naked eye. So I'm gonna go out there. Let me get the, what is that? Wait, that's not what I want. I don't know if I should do a, okay, let's see. All right, basically like this, right? That I'm using an old one. I'm not using a brand new one because it's gonna do the same thing. I just need the scrubbing capability of this green stuff. All right, I'll see you at the car. I don't know if you can even tell. That's the one I already did. That's the hazy. That is old, that is new. I can barely see it on my phone, but nonetheless. Alright. Come with a little bit of that stuff. At first I kind of put it on with the stick and I was spreading it. And I was like, yeah, that's working. Nah. You're better off doing it with your finger because you can spread it with thinner. So I can give that to whoever holds it. Alright, let's see what it is.
The scrubbing sounds kind of coming off,
I guess too much isn't a good thing because then there's too much like lubricant and it's not cleaning it as much.
You just kind of
So then you just hit it with some Obviously, this is going to get all over the car, man.
Dribbling. It's still scrubbing on this one.
Yeah. It's like all this oxidized stuff is. Yeah, they all do this. Oh, the headlights. You can't stop oxygen. Gas. Oh yeah, can't I? Yeah, so. I'm gonna hit this a little, just see if this one. Because I just thought I can see, it's probably nothing you can see in the video, but shoot, something to wash your hands officially with, because it's easier to do this while your hands are clean of the toothpaste mix. Alright, bang. Probably gonna take this to the car wash after this. I actually need some headlights, so that's why I'm even doing this. I'm just like, well, there's no point in replacing my headlights if my lenses are dirty. Way good. Alright, I think I'm gonna hit it with a little more. Bang. Get kind of crevices. Okay, we're getting the crevices on the car wash, but that's that. And if I do the polish, I'll show you the aftermath, final product.